How to make an Airedale cocktail. G'day there drinking buddies, Scotty Boxa here for DrinkLab.org, your home to thousands of free cocktail recipes. This is another one, the Airedale. It is another Aperol cocktail as requested by you guys who wanted some more with this perfect ingredient. If you like your bourbon, you're gonna love this, and this is how to make it. You'll need 3/4 an ounce of Aperol, 2.5 ounces of bourbon, and 1 tablespoon of simple syrup. In a cocktail shaker with ice, pour in your bourbon, your Aperol, and sugar syrup. Give that a shake. And strain into your cocktail glass. And garnish with an orange twist. And there you have it, the Airedale cocktail. If you want more cocktail recipes and info on how to make this, check out the description below. Head over to our website, DrinkLab.org. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any more cocktail recipes, and I shall see you next time. Go out and enjoy yourself. Don't destroy yourself. Cheers.